Hi Sagar, welcome to this feedback session. How are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm fine, sir. Thank you, sir.
Great. So how's the job and everything going nowadays?
Yeah, now it's a fantastic journey of the job from start of the I-Medita.
Great.
Currently, I'm working with Wipro as a technology lead.
Okay.
I'm having 6 years of experience totally in network and security domain. Currently, my profile is at L3 level.
Great. Great. So could you please help us understand what all courses you have completed with I-Medita and how was your overall experience during these courses?
Yeah, there is a fantastic journey with the I-Medita. I have started this journey before those 5 years with the I-Medita. Initially, I started it from CCNP routing and switching, and then after that, it's just transferred towards the network and security like firewall and different leading technology. Initially, when I started the I-Medita, in the I-Medita, I got the training related to routing and switching from Surendra sir and Shubham sir, and in that they have covered everything from the starting, the basics, also the lab point of view, and what are actually happen in real time environment in industries. That everything they have covered in their sections or
Great.
trainings. And after that, I mean, it also launches the different platform like the All Access Pass. This Access Pass platform is actually the very good. Almost what happened, all candidates not possible to join the physically. So most of the times, I made it up providing this training to worldwide. So because of this All Access Pass or virtual training, this is very helpful for the all student.
Right. So how did you first hear about our training courses? 5 years back when you enrolled for CCNP routing switching, that was your first course, right?
Yes.
Later on, you
Yeah,
upgraded
I
to
was
CCI
yeah,
security.
yeah. 5 years before I was in Pune, and I'm just searching for the better training institute, and I'm also little bit searching on Google, and also in different courses as I find in Google. There is one I found one link and one video of I related to I-Medita. So I just physically visit to I-Medita panel, and after that I got introduction to Sugan sir. Sugan sir provided me all the platform list and what are the trainings I-Medita actually providing. And I when I first reached to the I-Medita, I see their labs. Labs are very good, means at the whatever the we all get in real time, that kind of experience I felt there. So I immediately decided what should I not join the I-Medita. I immediately enrolled in I-Medita, and after that the journey is fantastic, and I'm at the peak level of my career right now.
Great. So if I remember, you initially enrolled with CCNP routing switching. Later on, you also did CCI security course, checkpoint course,
Yeah.
and other courses as well, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So how was your experience with multiple instructors? Because you did CCNP routing switching. There you must have taken training from one or two instructors, then CCI security, one or two instructor, checkpoint with other instructor. So how was your overall experience with multiple trainers? Did you got right advice from the instructor, right technology was covered? How was your experience with multiple trainers?
Okay. Yeah, first of all, I enrolled for the CCNP routing and switching. That time, that session covered by Surendra sir and Saurabh sir. Surendra sir covered by switching session. The switching from the basics to the top level means whatever the best things Surendra sir told me. Those are very important to crack the multinational interview for me. The same for the Saurav Yadav sir. Saurav Yadav sir code all the routing parts, BGP, different protocol routings in very good manner. And what actual the industry required, that everything covered in I-Medita.
Okay.
After that, once I have completed this CCNP routing and switching, I have taken the 1 5 years of experience of in another company of only is on routing and switching. Then after that, I decided to move towards the firewall. Then after that, I again joined the I-Medita. In this period, I'm continuously going to I-Medita for practice. And I-Medita is the best institute. It is always allow you the practice session whenever you want to go there. If you have a holiday, you can go there and join the labs and do your practice. And every trainer is supportive there. If you have any doubts, in that case, a trainer is really helpful. And if you are looking for your own lab in your lab environment, in that case also I'm data giving you the wonderful support like the virtual images and all, everything I'm data providing you for your personal lab setup. And always I also the I-Medita prepared one video session how to prepare your own lab. Under the video pass section, you can just go there and follow the links, and accordingly you can build your lab setup.
Great.
After that, I switched toward the firewall. And in the firewall, for the firewall, first of all, I took the admission for the checkpoint only. In that checkpoint, Shubham Singh covered my entire checkpoint session and training. Shubham sir is one of the great personality in institute, and so Shubham sir provided a technique like in this way, covered all the basics, all the theory, all the practicals, and what actually they require for the industry point of view. That is covered under this training session only. And
Mm-hmm.
once you have completed, definitely you will grab the opportunity outside related to firewall and all technology. And after that, I have in this CCI security, I have taken the different modules from different trainers for this firewall module. First of all, I have taken ASC module. I have taken from Shubham sir. Shubham sir covered it very well. After that, I have taken one more module from Baldev sir as a repeated one. Baldev sir also covered in both ways, like CLI through or also the GUI through as well. And after that, I have taken the all other modules like VPN, EL2 security,
I step to
Cisco
it.
I.
Yes,
Cisco
yes.
IC is also covered from Shubham sir only. And Shubham sir having provide real time all the scenario what are happening in industries and everything from starting how to build a lab and how to troubleshoot the issues and all exactly.
Great. So
And
did you got
after that,
all the study material, lab access, and required support during the training?
yes, even after the when I try to build my own lab at my home, I have just managed that kind of setup, means that kind of resources to my system. And after that, all guidance comes through the iMedita only. And then after that, I built my own setup, and iMedita helped me to provide virtual images, because for this lab infra, virtual images is always required, and you will don't get that images in open network environment. You will get that only from the trusted partners, because that
Right.
person is only able to download and provide different key and all. And I mean it always help in that, and so I able to build my own lab infra as well.
Okay. And while you were doing all these courses, because you are continuously learning and doing these courses from last couple of 4 and 5 years, okay? During
Yeah.
this time, you were working with multiple organizations. Right now, you're working with Wipro, and you were working while doing these courses. How did you manage your time with office and with learning? So how you balanced your entire professional life and your learning life?
And that time it was very difficult situation for me. I have mostly managed my weekend batches, is on Saturday and Sunday. Mostly Saturday, Sunday is for holiday for me. And for this, you don't believe, but for these classes, I am daily traveling around 125 one side, means 255 return, 250 kilometer daily for these 2 days classes only. I am living far from 150 kilometers from Pune, and in weekends I only join these batches. And after that, the I-Meter started virtual sessions as well. So after that, it's got very good for me. I am joined virtually only.
So these courses
Wherever,
helped you in your professional development during these last
yes,
four,
yes,
5 years?
very, yes, yes, is in a very good manner. Because of these courses only, or I-Medita only, I got a quality job, and right now I'm at the position only because of I-Medita. Initially,
What?
I was started the journey at only the basic knowledge of CCNA, but as of now, I am having multiple technology with me, like CCI level routing switching, CCI security, checkpoint firewall, Palo Alto firewall, FortiGate, different vendor, multi-vendor I can work. Also
Okay,
the ELB,
great.
F5LB. Yeah.
And now you have also taken our yearly subscription for video courses. So how is your experience while accessing these video courses?
Yeah, these video courses are very much helpful. I already attended training physically, but what happened the many times if you in future you required the access of this, or you want to brush up your things, in that I have to just log into my all access pass and I have to just go through it. And in real time environment also I am I feel that some technology having I have little bit of query, so I have to just go through that video link and just checking that all the video and try to learn new things that I don't know. Because in IMD training session, everything they have code as per the industry requirement. Oh, like your theoretical part, practical part, what actually happen in industry, like the what are the different troubleshooting related things, that all covered in these video sessions. In these video sessions having different parts, like if you are interested using the GUI administration, GUI administration is also covered in very well. If you are interested through the CLI administration, CLI administration video is also covered. Means single technology covered through the GUI as well as CLI. That is the actual requirement of IT industries.
So how would you?
Also in this,
Yeah.
also in this video, they provide the workbook. In workbook, they have covered all the labs. Means they have covered different virtual technology, and accordingly on logical devices they have made a configuration. In the real time industry is actually what this thing is only happen. There are different devices, and in these different devices connectivity is managed. The same kind of environment they have created in their own labs, so it looks like the real time environment, and it is always helping us to work in real time environment also.
Great. So how would you rate the entire training, quality, services, instructors' knowledge, study material, online lab access, video courses on a scale of 10?
Yeah, it's out of 10.
Great. Great. And would you recommend our courses to others in the IT industry in your network?
Yeah, yeah, I already recommended and people join also. And
Great.
in future also, I'm just sharing the links and giving the contact number to just join this institute, and you will definitely get benefits of it. And multiple people already told me, yeah, we joined IMITA and we are now in this company and we got this kind of profile.
Great. Thank you. And could
Many
you
times as I
Yeah.
see, people comes to me when they want to shift from network to security.
Okay.
Yeah, from routing switching towards the firewall. In that session people are just coming to me and just taking the advice, so I am just telling them to just join the I-Medita will give you the real time experience. And if you still have not experience on any firewall but you have joined the I-Medita for at least 2 3 months, you will definitely crack the interview related to securities. This is the I-Medita.
Right. So could you please provide any suggestion on how we can improve our training in the future? Any suggestion from your end?
Whatever until up to I-Medita provided is better one, sir. And in upcoming days, I have to just advise the leading technologies, like if it is possible, like the jet scalar, the cloud environment, or anything related to proxy. If you can introduce or add into that, and then it will be another beneficial for the security environment.
Sure. Thank
Because
you.
most of the security people are working on multiple technologies like firewall, Zscaler, proxy. If little bit introduction of proxy is there, so it will again better platform for all cybersecurity domain.
Thank you for the suggestion. We will definitely pass the suggestion to our team, and our team will definitely look upon this. We thank you for your time. Thank you for your time for this session, and we wish you all the very best for future success.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Same to the I-Medita also.
Thank you.